So here's Gowalla App. Keep up with your friends in real life. So yeah, this is quite trending app. It's just got into top 100. Why is that? I think because people are just looking for alternatives for Zenly. Zenly was shut down, and some users are happy with Snapchat Map, others are not really. So yeah, developers are trying to figure out what would be the best alternative. So yeah, here you just have like the map. You can see different spots, like you can see like different parks. So here is some park in Copenhagen. You can see how many people favorited it. You can see add your place to favorite. You can see some tags here. You can see where it's located. You can edit this place. You can add some tags. You can see who added this. You can add some information and all of that. So these are just other users who add in these places here. Then, for example, you have some other bar or restaurant which is popular. So yeah, just interesting things to see here. Yeah, and then of course you can see where you are traveling. Then you can add friends somehow here, so you can just search by username. So then you can just add people like that. So then you can just go to profile and tap add. So something around it, I don't know why it's not working for me, but that's basically the idea. Yeah, so that's the app. And then you can also add place. So just tap on the plus icon, you can add the place yourself, and then you can just go here and then just add place here, and this is the place to relax, shop, travel, work, explore. So yeah, something like that. Then you have your account. You see how many saved check-ins you have, places, created friends. You can edit your name and username. Then you have some settings where you can delete your account if you don't like it. There is theme you can change. There is icon. All of that which you can do. Then also you can just filter out all the places by categories, brands, and activities. So yeah, in any city you can just go and filter out like what interests you. So it's not like a completely social map app. However, maybe it is. It's also can be used just for exploring different cities. Like I don't know, I can just go or something like what if I just go and relocate myself to other city. But I guess it's just so here you can see a lot of activities as well and a lot of places. So for example, this app is not that viral yet. There are still very few places, and there aren't that many users. So it's good that you have some friends where you can just use it with your friends, for example. Yeah, so that's basically the idea here. So yeah, what else? Just add your friends, and then you can follow your friends on the map, and then you can just organize about cool places to go, cool places to chill together, and stuff like that. So that's just what you can try out, and hope you enjoy this app.